And these historic wildfires likely adding to the stress that many have been feeling. Health officials say taking care of your mental health is extremely important right now.
Absolutely. Our Fox 12's Drew Reeves spoke with the experts about this today, about what you can do and the resources that are available. Drew?
Yeah, we're in a time right now where it can feel difficult to have any control over your life whatsoever, but health officials do say that it is important to take time each day to take care of you and your needs. A word many probably never want to hear again: unprecedented. But it's difficult to find another word to describe 2020 and its events that will go down in history. Many are likely feeling the effects of the stress related to this year.
They may be irritable, they may have trouble sleeping, they may be oversleeping, they may be sad much of the time and find that they're crying easily.
So one psychologist says focusing on the things you can control right now is important. Take a moment to exercise or plan out your meals for the day.
Giving people some level of control over decisions is really, really important because so many decisions have been taken away from us.
And with wildfires continuing to burn across the state, many are dealing with the unimaginable stress of losing a home or not knowing where a loved one may be. In Clackamas County, dogs like Jazzy are being deployed to help in those situations. Jazzy works like a therapy dog, but in more intense situations.
We do crisis response work, which means that the dogs do the same type of work, but they do it in a higher type of environment.
Liz says she is amazed at the responses she sees when Jazzy arrives to a scene.
Sometimes it's just looking at them, and you can just see people decompress. It's amazing. It's magic. They do it all.
And while staying informed is important, officials say you should not spend your time obsessively following every detail about these tragic events.
It's probably really tempting for people to keep the news on at all times, and actually during a disaster situation like this one, that's really not a good idea. It's not going to be helpful, particularly if it contributes to your anxiety or your kids' anxiety.
And officials say if you are struggling with anxiety or depression or even just need somebody to talk to, reach out. Clackamas County has a 24-hour helpline. You can also call your you can call your health provider to get a referral if you need someone to talk to. Reporting live in Oregon City, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.